looking up things on Google.
Google, the wonders of technology. The house has been very dirty lately. Maybe I can go on eBay and search up something that can clean stuff for you.
And that's exactly what he did.
Bingo! Woohoo! Now my package should arrive in like a week or so.
And it did arrive in a week or so.
Yes, hi. Package for Gordon the Big Engine? Oh, yes, that is my Roomba. It is. Oh, yeah, just letting you know you have to sign this thing. Oh, yeah, whatever. Just give it to me. Hey, wait. This is my Roomba. Bye. My Roomba. Wait. You have to sign the paper. Bye. Oh my god, this thing is heavy. Oh, okay, so let's check this thing out. Oh my god, this thing is so heavy. Not even me, Gordon the Express Agent, can carry it that much. Okay, so according to the instructions, I'm going to have to press this power button to turn it on. Okay, so, okay, here we go. Okay, so far so good. Oh my god, where's it going? Doesn't it like me? Okay, I guess I should turn it off. Hey, get back here! Okay, I better tell the engines not to mess with it. This is not a toy, especially that stupid little silly engine, Percy! Always thinking everything is a toy. Okay then, time to go tell the engines. Attention! Just letting you guys know, today I just got my Roomba that I ordered from eBay a week ago. So, if I see any one of you guys messing with it, I am going to kill you. Because if you guys break this thing, that's gonna be $200 going down the drain. So, stop it, be mature, and do not mess with it. Especially you, Percy. Okay, good. Now, I'm gonna test this thing out in my room.
Ooh, that Roomba that Gordon got looks fun to play with. Hey, Percy, you shouldn't be messing with stuff like that. You heard him. If you break that thing, it's gonna be $200 going down the drain.
Yeah, Percy, you should know better.
I just want to play with it.
Percy, it's Gordon's orders, and you know he's bigger than all of us. So you leave it alone, and he leaves us alone.
Yeah, Percy, you know better than this.
Yeah, Percy. So, don't mess with it. No, I'm gonna take a nap. Shh.
That Roomba looks so fun to play with. Maybe when everyone else goes to sleep at night, maybe I can wake up in the morning before everyone wakes up and then play with it. It was now 3:30 in the morning, and Gordon has just returned from his midnight express, and all the engines went fast asleep, except for Percy. Oh, everyone has gone to sleep now. Oh, maybe it's time to play with that Roomba of Gordon's. Time to go. And Percy sneaked off when everyone was asleep. Hey, here it is. So, how do I turn this thing on? Oh, there's a little power button. Let me try pressing this. Oh god, that's so loud! It's so loud! Ah! Ah! Ow! Ah! Oh my god! It's Bloody Mary! It's Bloody Mary coming to attack! Thomas, what's going on? I hear screaming, and it woke me up because I'm so terrified.
Huh? What's that?
It's Percy.
What? Percy's messing with my Roomba?
Die. But I think he's already dead.
One way to find out. Yep, he's dead. What happens when you mess with my Roomba?
And so Percy was trashed by the other engines, and they lived happily ever after with their Roomba.